For 65 years, ChemTrend has delivered highly efficient mold release technology for industrial manufacturers spanning industries, including aerospace, automotive, consumer goods, wind energy, construction, and beyond. Today, the company offers a wide portfolio of release agents, mold cleaners, and protectants, as well as purging solutions for plastics manufacturing and additives for paper impregnation. With high performance and sustainability as core drivers for technology development, ChemTrend solutions are proven to deliver exceptional value for manufacturers by enabling safer, more efficient part production. Backed by our parent company, Freudenberg, with its remarkable 175-year legacy, we are present in over 60 countries, with regional distribution networks serving a wide range of industries. From our labs to our customers' facilities, ChemTrend experts work to understand and solve complex challenges. We meet our customers where they are, gaining the hands-on experience necessary to develop transformative, sustainable solutions. We leverage knowledge gained from the 150,000 hours spent annually on our customers' shop floors to find new ways to maximize production and minimize waste. We source our materials responsibly and ensure efficiency, health, and safety extends from our facilities to theirs. We offer smart solutions that transform operations, digital tools that provide invaluable insights, and data to empower our customers to achieve a new standard of performance. We do all of this while maintaining our commitment to social responsibilities, pioneering sustainability-focused solutions like our photovoltaic power generation plant in Valinhos, Sao Paulo, and state-of-the-art water-based technologies to help our team and our customers reach industry standards, compliance, and goals. We invest in research and development to continually evolve our product portfolio and remove and replace chemicals that pose health and environmental risks. Utilizing our sustainability scorecard, we determine how well every newly developed product will contribute to our customers' overall sustainability. Sustainability is even a priority throughout our warehouse operations, where we emphasize recyclability and environmentally responsible processes. We do our part locally in the communities where we live and work. Every year, the people of ChemTrend give considerable time and effort to charitable projects in education, environmental protection, and other important causes to create a positive impact, to build strong and lasting connections with the world around us. We maintain this level of excellence by investing not only in research and development, but also in the well-being and development of our diverse workforce, who represent a myriad of nationalities, cultures, perspectives, disciplines, and specialties. Together, we work to create a top global workplace of choice, where employees are supported as they support our customers. At ChemTrend, we offer unmatched service and unwavering support to propel our customers, our colleagues, and the manufacturing industry forward. We act as more than just a supplier, and our customers consider us partners, truly invested in their success. This extends to every aspect of the work we do. It guides us as we serve our customers and lead the manufacturing industry toward continuous improvement. It's essential to how we source materials and operate within our own facilities. It's integral to the technologies we develop and how we provide for our teammates and the communities we live and work in. High performance at every level is our promise and our passion. We are ChemTrend.